Hey everyone, Joel Hans here on a very cold day, and today we're outside Chick Magnet. Yes, Chick Magnet here in Penfield / basically Rochester, New York. Here doing the ultimate fried chicken sandwich challenge. Yes, that's right. So here basically we have their whole menu of fried chicken sandwiches, and these are huge fried chicken sandwiches, guys. We are talking each breast being over 6 ounces. We then have giant pieces of buttered toast, plus all the sauces, the toppings, everything. So I know we're gonna have 20 minutes to complete the challenge. If not, I think it's somewhere around like $70. The place used to be a food truck. They have then graduated to the brick and mortar location, so that's really cool. Father-son operation, I know. So yeah, let's get some more details. That's fun. Let's go eat some food. All right, everyone, so here we are with all these sandwiches. It looks very, very delicious. They're absolutely giant. They're huge. Guys, we have breasts, which are over 6 ounces each. You know I love breasts. Chicken breasts, chicken breasts. We got, of course, the signature Texas toast. All the different sauces, which a lot of them are making here. Really unique flavors. We have, like this one here, the Cali. We have some sprouts. We have some guacamole being made in-house here, which sounds absolutely delicious. We have everything from the traditional Magnet with their Magnet sauce. We have a Smoky, which has barbecue sauce. We got the Riley here. We're talking some house-made onion jam. We got some delicious banana peppers, hot honey, which I love. We have the Samantha, which has, this is sandwich of the month. We got bacon, coleslaw, Magnet sauce, cheese, all those good things. I'm going to have the chicken meat. It's like a traditional mix on a banh mi. We have a spicy here. We have so many different sandwiches, guys. They look absolutely delicious. So that's about that. So how about we get started here just momentarily. Only 20 minutes, not very long. These are some big sandwiches. I do got some sauce along here, like their Magnet sauce, honey mustard, all that, whatever. I say whatever, but I got ketchup, okay, guys? I didn't want to admit it, but I got ketchup. Everybody knows I love ketchup. Barbecue sauce. So, how about we get started? Maybe I'll start with how about the traditional Magnet? So yeah, that beautiful looking sandwich. That looks gorgeous. All right, how about we get started? Let's say the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let us eat. That's a big piece of chicken. I love it. Oh, pickles. Good pickles on that too.
Hey everyone, welcome to Devouring. Today we're here at Chick Magnet. Yes, Chick Magnet, guys, having the ultimate fried chicken sandwich challenge. And I will say these were really big. I'm going to probably say that a few times. These are really big chicken sandwiches on a very nice buttered, crispy, toasted Texas style toast, and then dressed of course with all the different toppings. I will say, you want a filling, substantial sandwich, take a big huge piece of chicken and put it on huge Texas toast, and that is the answer.
So first 2 bites in, guys, definitely good. The pickles, the sauce, really nice. The Texas toast, the buttered Texas toast is pretty substantial, but make it a little more difficult, but definitely delicious. I like the crisp on it, so let's keep on trucking.
I beat you.
Alright. Very good. Here we have a special one. This is made like a customer. It's like a house-made pineapple sauce and some blue cheese dressing on it. Blue cheese is a big thing kind of in Western New York.
So we had 20 minutes to complete this challenge, in which I would say that kind of puts it as like a very high level intermediate, maybe even expert level challenge. These, again, are huge sandwiches, and that is not a lot of time, again, just with the crunch, with the foods you're eating. So fried chicken sandwich is definitely a food which takes a little bit of work to eat.
What's this one called again? The blue cheese and the
Millsy chicken.
The Millsy. Really cool flavor on it.
What was really cool about Chick Magnet is they had a large variety of different flavors, of course very innovative, unique mixes, and they always have a new sandwich of the month to showcase a new combination.
Nice and sweet. Nice to with some hot sauce.
Hey, yeah.
You got this guy from the YouTube video? Oh, you guys are good at holding it.
In addition to having the like chicken sandwiches, they also had chicken tenders on the menu, and then they also had basically, like, if you're familiar with Rochester, you're familiar with a garbage plate, or a, like, basically it's an item of a pile of food. They have their own like chicken plate, so I thought that was really unique and innovative to kind of remix the garbage plate. If you don't know what a garbage plate is, well, I'll just Google it. A Rochester garbage plate with their own fried chicken, which was very good, very high quality.
All right, that was really good. Next, we got the chick meat. We got the kind of banh mi rendition. I can't get how big this freaking. Look at the size of that piece of chicken on it. That's impressive. House-made pickled vegetables. That is good. Cucumbers, vegetables, everything on there. Delicious. And we're officially like 4 minutes in. Big sandwich here, buddy.
There is quite a bit of natural commentary here, so I will leave you to the rest of the video. But quickly, let me know down below if you are a spicy fried chicken sandwich person or a not spicy fried chicken sandwich. So give me a hashtag spicy or give me a hashtag not. So with that, I will let you get to the rest of the video. Hopefully we'll be able to complete that meal, complete this challenge. Again, for doing so, we would get the meal for free. But yeah, like I said, cool spot. Penfield, basically Rochester. So if you're ever in the area, I definitely recommend stopping on by. I did also have a variety of different sauces beside me, including like their house-made magnet sauce. I had like some hot sauce. I had some honey mustard, some barbecue sauce. So yeah, good stuff. And let's get to the video.
Yeah, that was delicious. Love the flavors on that. Man, I can't believe how big these chicken sandwiches are though. Substantial. This is the spicy one. And they've got the pretty hot. They got pretty hot. We got Mad Dog in this stuff, so maybe I'll save this one for a little later. And I'll go for, let's see, maybe I'll go for the Cali. Got some guac, while I good looking stuff. Oh wow. Beautiful. Great flavor.
So far, he's at there's a lot of finishes for him. He's a killer, man.
Okay, 4 left. We're about 6 minutes, 40 seconds in. Those buttery Texas toast, guys, delicious. It really adds a nice aspect to it. There's definitely some difficulty. They're big. Very, very big. Alright, here we got one with, this is the smoky. We got a smoked Gouda cheese on it, barbecue sauce, bacon. Woo. Good flavor. 1, 2, 3 left. Spicy, Samantha, and this one here, it's called the Riley chick. I'll break out the Samantha. The bacon on it. Woo! Lots of sauces, cheese. That looks delicious. Love the flavors. Lots of chicken, everybody. We're making our way through it. Very delicious. We're almost 11 minutes in. I definitely got to keep up that pace. I tell you that buttered Texas toast makes a big difference. Definitely makes a little like I said, there's a nice crisp to it, but that buttery flavor. It's really nice addition actually. So it brings it homey, really homey. So excuse me. Let's keep on going. Riley chick. Onion jam, banana peppers. All around. That is a good one. It is sweet and it is spicy. Really nice combo with that fried chicken. Alright, we're probably about 13 and a half minutes in. Woo! Last one, everybody. Last one. And this is the spicy. So, let's see what kind of kick we got going here. It tastes like Nashville hot. Good flavors. That's spicy. Woo, God. Oh, yeah. It's pretty spicy. It's pretty dang spicy. Oh, yeah. Talk about burn. Real nice burn to it, actually. Really nice heat. The pickles on there. And they added some magnet sauce, which there's a really nice flavor on it. But woo, kicks, guys. Woo. Put Mad Dog 357 in that oil.
Yeah, right.
by.
Oh, that's the new thing. That's sorry about
And we are finished. Whew. All right. About 16 minutes, 15 seconds, everybody. I gotta say, those are some good chicken sandwiches. They are filling. Not only are those pieces of chicken huge, again, I'm talking 6+ ounces of each breast. With that Texas toast, that adds some real kind of hardiness to that. I think, but that, I tell you, with that buttered crisp on that, the way it was grilled, it's such a cool dynamic, actually. Excuse me. So you're getting like a nice crisp from the outside of that Texas toast. You're getting the crisp from that chicken. The sauces and everything was really good. Got their magnet sauce, which, you know, I would kind of describe like a really unique kind of zesty aioli, which is what I like, again, they make in the house. They had, of course, they had some all the different sauces. There was the barbecue sauce and the different other ones they made, like on the, what was that one called, the Milo or Miley?
The Millsy?
The Millsy, guys. Pineapple sauce on that. That was with that little bit of blue cheese, was super cool. Definitely like that with the heat on this, and oh my, the spicy, guys. That wasn't even the hottest. That was like level 2 out of 3. Like I said, you can definitely tell there's that Mad Dog 357 in there. It definitely lights you up. But the flavor was fantastic. That's what I really like. So it's not just heat, it definitely maintained the flavor and taste. So with that, guys, we're gonna meal for free today, which is pretty cool. Definitely a good chicken sandwich, a big chicken sandwich, a lot bigger than I anticipated. But yeah, I have no complaints. So I want to give a huge thanks to everybody here for having me out. Definitely if you're in the Rochester area, guys, or Rochester, shop on by. This is a one-of-one location currently. You know, again, as we said, it used to be a food truck. It did really well, and here we are today. And I can see why it's worth having the brick and mortar. But yeah, they have chicken tenders and everything else you could ever ask for. So, that everyone, hope you enjoyed today's video. Of course, so next time, stay happy, hungry, happy eating. Definitely stop on by and have a sandwich. You don't need to eat 8. I ate 8, so you don't have to. And that's about it. So, excuse me, of course. Have a lovely day. Cool.
That was unlike anything I've ever seen. That was crazy.
It's something to see in
all 8 in 16 minutes. Come on!
something to see in person, right?
Wow.
Hey, guess what? You rock. Yes, you rock. Thank you so much for watching the video. I totally appreciate it. I hope you left me a comment down below. I'd love to read them. I hope you also liked that video. Hey, by the way, click my face. You can subscribe. Yes, subscribe. That way you always get my uploads. You won't miss me when I'm in your town. And I also picked 2 videos for you. Yes, 2 videos I know you'll love right here. So watch one of those, hit my face. And at that, thank you so much. You rock.